Alright guys, I'm going to just start out by taking a shower. The first thing I'm going to do is wet my hair so it can all get moisturized and, you know, we can get this process started. Alright, next I'm going to grab my Aussie. I'm just going to use a little bit of that, and I'm only going to wash the roots of my hair. If you go see, I am only washing the roots. I'm going to scrub a dub my roots because my ends are so dry, and we were going to focus on my ends at the end of the video with conditioner mostly. So we're going to go ahead and just wash our scalp. And as you see, I'm already rinsing it out because I'm only washing my roots with this shampoo. Next, I'm grabbing my Moister Shampoo and I am washing all of my head with this. I love this stuff so much. It smells so good. My curls are like popping afterwards. Next, I'm stepping my hair in 2 portions. If you see, I clipped up the left side. And I'm going to focus on my one side of my head and just really take my time with it and make sure that each strand of hair is thoroughly washed. As you can tell, it smells so good. Next, I'm going to go ahead and focus on the next card. Then I'm going to go ahead and just rinse that out, all of it out from both sides. Next, if you see, I'm separating my hair in 4 sections. This is going to make it more manageable so that way I can brush it out, take my time, and make sure that I get all my knots and kinks out. This method has helped me my whole life because my hair is very, very thick. It may not be the longest, but it's very thick and dense. So I make sure that it's, you know, sectioned out and makes my life so much easier. And then I go ahead and I grab my Tresemme conditioner. This is going to be my co-wash. I co-wash with this every single day. This is my go-to conditioner. I'm just raking it through, as you can see, making my life easier before I grab that white tooth comb right behind me. Yep, right there. Girl. That is my BFF. And then I'm going to go ahead and start with my ends and work my way up. That is my method. And after I did all 4 sections, I'm going to rinse out that conditioner, you know, so that hair doesn't get in the drain. I'm just sticking on the wall there. Don't judge. Rinsing out all my shampoo that I have just applied. Alright guys, now I'm gonna, do my thing in the shower. Be right back. Alright, so now that I'm out of the shower, I use a cotton t-shirt because it eliminates the frizz. I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair in 4 sections. This is the easiest way for me to manage my hair. Next, I'm going to use my Shea Moisture conditioner. I freaking love this stuff. It smells so good. My hair loves it. My curls are popping. I'm just going to go ahead and rake that through and all like through the individual like curls. And then I'm going to grab my white tooth comb. Then I grab my 10-pound Eco Stylo gel. I love this gel. I've used this gel for like ever. I go ahead and just rake that through the whole shebang. Make sure that you get all the curls, because if not, you're just gonna like get frizz. And this is the method that I've used. Okay guys, people don't like the gel because it like weighs it down, but I love it because it defines my curls. And you see, as I'm doing that, I'm like actually going in and like grabbing like random pieces of hair, and I'm just twirling them because that just gives my hair random like perfect curls. And I just do that throughout, like random pieces. I think it's called like finger coiling. Next, I love this stuff, you guys. I'm probably saying I love everything, but literally I've been using this stuff for my hair forever. This oil is for your hair, skin, and nails. You can get it at Walmart for like $2. I'll list everything I like use in my hair down below. And there's that cotton towel, that cotton shirt again. I go back in with it, and I just like to use it because it like soaks up the like moisture, but it doesn't make my hair frizzy. And I'm gonna just go ahead and just do the rest of my head. But first, I'm sorry, y'all. I was hungry. I had to just stop and take a break. But so you just go back in, and then I finish up with using that oil. And I like to use oil to seal in everything. It's kind of like a lock-in, you know. It adds the shine, adds the volume. It also smells good. And I just use my cotton t-shirt to lock it in. Product. Of course, my dog has to start eating right now. Alright guys, this is my hair, about 70% dry. This is how I will usually wear it. I'll just leave the house like this and just go about my day. I used to have a pick, I lost it, but I will just go through and just like start picking out like pieces, like spots or areas that have like holes, or you know, just to my liking. If I want it bigger, I'll make it bigger. If I want like more of like a flat curly look, I'll put like more gel and I just like make it flat. But I'm just let it air dry. I don't own a diffuser, and if I do blow dry it, I would like use it on cold air because it won't make it frizzy. Like, I don't think that my hair needs to be washed. I won't wash it because I co-wash it so often. And yeah, so I will be doing another video on my co-washing daily like kind of thing, because my hair takes forever to dry, so I can't wash it every day. So this should last me about good 4 days, depending on how I wear it, because sometimes it'll get like super dready and I don't like that, and it gets all nappy, like kind of like how it was in the beginning. Because at work I have to wear my hair up in buns and like hats and stuff like that, so it just gets all natted and gross. But yeah, so this is my tutorial.